and have a breakfast with me with Putu. Breakfast was sweet. I actually tasted for the first time.
For the whole day. Yeah.
Take away. Open. Okay. With it. Do you know what is Putu? This is a traditional food from South Africa. Oh, really? Yeah. I decided I'm gonna do it today. You see the spice, the meat. Huh?
Food.
You take your breakfast here every day?
Every morning.
Every morning?
Every morning I'm here.
What is the name of that food?
We call it skop.
Skop.
Yeah.
It's not Putu.
It's skop and putu, yeah.
Skop and Putu.
Yeah.
It's actually a traditional meal.
It's traditional food,
typical traditional South African meal.
Yes.
And we sell it on the street.
Yes.
And what are you drinking here now?
It's a soup.
This one is a soup.
Yes.
So we cook the Putu, meat. You say it's a cow head.
Cow head, yeah.
Cow head.
Yeah.
And they cook. Apparently they don't put oil on it.
No, they don't.
And this soup, is it coming from that?
It's coming from that, yeah.
Do you advise me to take it?
Yes. Very nice.
Guys,
you will enjoy
what's your name?
Vusi.
Vusi. Vusi said to me, Putu, Scott, it's actually a traditional meal from South Africa. It's a better meal to have as a breakfast in the morning. It keep you fit.
Keep you fit.
Give you some energy.
Exactly.
And
the whole day.
You sound vibrant.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.
I'm going to have a test.
Okay.
And then I advise you guys, if you are watching me, come and have a test. It's actually a typical traditional meal in Johannesburg Street. Thank you very much.
In Brixton, yes.
In Brixton.
Yeah.
And we have a gentleman here that know how to cook, and they cook very nicely. Let's test and have a breakfast on the street of Johannesburg. Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is the dish you want to test, guys. Special breakfast on the street of Johannesburg. Share this with me, guys. South African street food in Johannesburg. Bring it a little bit.
Yes, please. I'm Susan.
You know very well. Guys, this is mine.
No, the spicy one. Not spicy.
And where you wash the hand?
Lala, the competition is too much.
Have a breakfast with me with Putu. A cow head Putu, guys. Traditional, typical traditional meal in the street of Johannesburg. Come and eat with me. And we are eating. You see, my sister is eating. How good, beautiful it is. This one, why the soup? You don't put it there. You just stand and eat. You get my own sauce, man. What?
Yeah, go.
Yeah, we like Putu. We like Putu, guys. take meat like this and you put it here.
Alafu kesho banda kupeka.
Nangu baba.
Umbona zula kanjula mina ngazule kancane. Ngiyangibona. Shele ngabe
It's nice, huh?
Yes, nice.
shele ngabe isahleni. Ngene ngathi makareni. Ngiyawulambile umbona.
Guys, you can get takeaway, huh? Takeaway. Takeaway. I will enjoy it, no? This Fokou.
Ngibona even nalapha ecampus square lo Testament so ecampus square bambani khona. Bambani ngase campus square. Testament so
Project corrupted.
Yeah.
And elements of project.
Actually, the breakfast was sweet. I actually tasted for the first time.
You can be full the whole day. Yeah.